Hey there, business students. Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of activity-based costing, or ABC costing. We're diving into how to calculate activity rates and apply them to cost objects. Ready? Let's get to it. Step 1. Calculate activity rates. So, here's the formula you need to know. Activity rate equals the total cost of an activity divided by the total units of the activity driver. For example, if the total cost of machine setups in a month is $50,000 and the company performed 500 setups, the activity rate for machine setups is $50,000 divided by 500 setups. That's $100 per setup. Another example, let's say the total cost of inspections is $30,000 and there were 1,500 inspections. The activity rate for inspections, that's $20 per inspection. Step 2, apply activity rates to cost objects now onto cost objects. These could be products, services, or departments using resources. Say a product line is our cost object. To allocate costs, use the activity rates we calculated. If a product uses 10 machine setups and 20 inspections, you allocate as follows. Machine setup cost is 10 setups times $100 per setup, totaling $1,000. Inspection cost is 20 inspections times $20 per inspection, totaling $400. Add them up and that's $1,400 allocated to that product. Step 3. Compare to traditional costing. Once you've applied the ABC system, compare these costs to those derived from traditional costing methods. This highlights how ABC provides more accurate cost allocations. Advantages of ABC costing offers more accurate product costs and supports better decision-making. Companies can pinpoint high-cost areas and refine their cost structures or pricing strategies. Conclusion. So there you have it. Calculating activity rates and applying them to cost objects using ABC allows companies to assign overhead costs more accurately. This leads to better pricing, cost control, and profitability analysis. Thanks for watching.